Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Kia Soul rear wiper. Start by parking on level ground and turning the ignition off. Set the parking brake for safety. Lift the rear hatch and support it securely. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks. Depress the release tab on the blade, slide the blade off the arm, and install the new blade until it clicks. Begin by inspecting the replacement blade to ensure correct size and adapter type for your Kia Soul. Remove any debris from the arm pivot and check the arm for bends or damage. Use light pressure to unclip the old blade, keeping your hand between the arm and glass to protect the glass. Align the new blade adapter with the arm hook, slide until you hear a secure click, and gently lower the arm back onto the window. After securing the new blade, lower the wiper arm gently onto the rear glass to avoid snapping or cracking. Turn the ignition to accessory and test the rear wiper, using the control to verify smooth motion and a streak-free sweep. Check for wobbling, noise, or unusual resistance, and reseat the blade if needed. Tighten any loose components and clean the window area to ensure optimal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.